I'm a plucked chicken. Humbling. That was an embarrassing experience. You're tearing individual hairs out. I'm so brave. I'm so brave. Absolutely disgraceful. Let's go make ourselves beautiful. I go to the Philippines in 6 days and I currently feel not my hottest. So welcome to a week of beauty prep, beauty maintenance, appointments, treatments. I'm gonna make myself feel amazing for my trip and I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. That's right, it's glow up time. First thing on the agenda, hair appointment. I'm gonna go get my hair done today. This is the current state of affairs in the hair department. We dyed red over blonde and the red is basically completely faded, especially from these front pieces. These are just blonde now at this point. And this is kind of like a peachy pink color. So we're gonna go to May 5 Hair where I always get my hair done and see the wonderful Katie. She's gonna add my red back, give me some depth. I'm not gonna cut any length off because I'm trying to grow my hair out again, but this lid is in desperate need of some love. I'm gonna put some makeup on because everyone knows that the hair chair is a humbling place to be. And then I'll take you along with me. So I'll see you when I've fixed this. Okay, the face is on, the hair is slicked, the obligatory getting your hair done, hair slick. It's so greasy, but it's about to get scrubbed deep down into my soul and I cannot wait. There's nothing like hairdresser, fresh washed hair, it's just the best. The lighting is so bad, but I'm home and I'm a redhead again and I'm so happy. I'm so happy to be back to a proper red. I'll show you it properly tomorrow because tomorrow we have a day of appointments. I'm getting my wax done, pray for me. The hoo-ha, the legs, the face. I'm getting my lashes lifted and I'm getting my brows laminated. So I'll show you my hair tomorrow on day 2 of transforming myself into a beach goddess. Good morning. It is the next day. Here is the hair in daylight. I got a tiny trim because I want to grow my hair out, including my little bangs. So I just got a little like neaten up and obviously my colour is back. We went for a darker route, like a plum darker route. I think it looks so good. I feel like having the contrast of a darker route is actually making the red look even brighter, which I love. I'm so happy with it and I already feel like me, more like me. I just filmed a transition like before and after and I hadn't even realised how faded my hair was. It was basically blonde. Honestly, the red just feels like me and I can't believe it took me so long to dye my hair red. I feel like me again. It's stunning. Today is day 2 of the beauty prep transformation and today is probably the biggest and the one that I've been dreading because today I'm getting my waxes. I think this year is going to be the year that I start getting laser hair removal because I hate shaving. I hate shaving. My skin hates shaving. I'm not like one of those girls who can shave every day or like every few days and it's just like, oh, I just shave. I'm like, no. When I shave, it's an ordeal and it lasts about a week of pain and itching and rashes and it's just awful. It's horrible. So I'm getting a wax today so I don't have to think about it while I'm away. I'm getting an LVL, getting my lashes lifted and I'm also getting my brows laminated. I have to be brave. I have to be brave. Every time I'm just like, this is fucking dreadful. I'm never doing this again. And then every time a holiday comes around, what do? I get a wax every time. And it hurts. It hurts. Like it hurts. It is really painful. There's no escaping it. You're tearing individual hairs out. Don't say I'm not close with you guys. I have 2 brand campaigns that I also need to film today. So I need to get those filmed in the next hour and a half. I need to take off my makeup, obviously, and go. So I need to get on with filming. Let's go make ourselves beautiful. I just answered the door with cleansing oil all over my face and no pants on. Because I needed to answer the door because I'm doing a job and the stuff got couriered to me. And he was like, Emma? I was like, hello. Humbling. That was an embarrassing experience. Face wax done. Onto my farewell. I'm a plucked chicken. Time for the nice bit. Let's get these brows and these lashes done. I don't think I took my mascara off very well though. Oh my god, my face. I always look so crazy after I get my face waxed. Oh my god, they look amazing.
Did you have a jacket?
Yeah,
oh, it's perfect.
I've got a pile of stuff. Oh, my brows, oh my gosh. Yeehaw. Okay, I'm ready. I'm home. I've put makeup on around my eyes and my brows, but here's how we're looking. I didn't get my brows tinted because they always turn out way too dark when I get them done at a salon, so I'm actually going to tint my own brows. They look really red for some reason. I feel like maybe the product like bleached them. Oh, hello Alexa. Super red, so I am going to tint them just to like make them so that they all match. And here are my lashes. This is no mascara, LVL, and a lash tint. And she also waxed my brows, which I feel like my tail is a little bit thin for me. It's fine. I haven't had someone touch my eyebrows. I mean, I've not had my eyebrows waxed in probably 10 years. I just grow them. I just let them grow and be the shape they are and be natural. But I don't know, it's fun to have someone else do what they think my face suits. And obviously I had my hoo-ha waxed and my face waxed, and it is completely hairless. It's so nice. I'm not gonna have to shave my face while I'm there. However, my leg hair was a little bit too short to wax, so I've actually booked back in for Monday to go get my legs waxed. So I kind of just wanted to get it all over and done with, but I did shave my legs about a week and a half ago, and yeah, she was like, it's just not coming out. So those are all of my treatments for this week. All the other things that I'm doing to prep for the trip are obviously going to the gym, training, drinking my water, going on walks every day, being generally active, just so that I don't feel bloated and stuff, because I had a very heavy week last week and I just feel really bloated, and I just need my digestion to get back to normal and just to kind of get back to my happy body. Yeah, the next time I see you in this vlog will be on Monday, where we're getting the nails done. I'm also gonna start whitening my teeth every day up until the trip. It's the final day of the holiday glow up. It's new nail day and I'm getting a pedicure. I've not had a pedicure since I was like 10. Genuinely, I've never had a pedicure as an adult, but I thought this would be the time to do it. I just went to the gym for 20 minutes because I completely forgot I had this appointment. And then I was doing my exercise and I got a reminder on my phone like 20 minutes till your appointment, and I was like, 20 minutes till my appointment? So I had to scurry home. So I did 3 exercises, which in 20 minutes is really not bad. But let's go sort out. These are just not okay. Absolutely disgraceful.
I cannot ignore this. I've grabbed my blind
feet are really red. Look! Oh my god, my weird little feet for free. And I went for chrome again, and I went for a different shape. I'm normally a coffin / square girl, but I decided to go for oval. I feel like it makes my fingers look so dainty. But this is gonna look amazing when I have a tan. It looks a little bit stark right now because I don't have any fake tan on, but when I get some color, these are gonna look so good. And with all my rings, oh, I can't wait. That's it. That's all my beauty prep. I feel like I should have done like an amazing transformation, but I'm gonna wash my hair tomorrow and then I'm flying tomorrow evening. So those are all my little beauty preps. I'm sorry, I feel like I should have like done my makeup really nice and like done a full transformation and like styled my hair. But I haven't washed my hair since I got it done about 5 days ago. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 6 days ago. I feel like this should be a better transformation. But the red is back, the nails are done, pedicure done, my feet feel so smooth, wax is done, lashes and brows are looking so good, and I'm feeling good. I'm feeling ready, guys. I'm going to the Philippines tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Thank you for doing my little beauty prep with me. This was a very short little video. These are all the steps that I've taken to pamper myself. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it's inspired you to take a little bit of time out to maybe give yourself some self-care, treat yourself to a little pedicure, a little nail treatment, an LVL, a lamination, whatever that looks like for you. If you can, I recommend you take some you time. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.